finally, I'm going to show you how to break into this master lock here using just hairpins. Here's the tension wrench, and here is the pick. And we're in. So this here was made out of two of these hairpins. You just need a pair of pliers to manipulate them. You just want to sort of make it just like this. And I curve the tip a little bit just for picking. And the tension wrench, just double it up on the one end here. And yeah, that'll get you in. No keys, nothing. I wouldn't have one of these on my shed.